Today, we're tackling a question I get asked a lot. Does Raiz charge you? Let's dive in and see if we can clear up this common query. First things first, for those who might be new to Raiz, it's an investment platform that makes investing accessible and easy. You can think of it as a kind of digital financial advisor that helps you build a diversified portfolio, even if you're just starting out. So, does Raiz charge you? Now, to the question at hand. Short answer, yes, Raiz does charge fees. But before you click away, let's break down what those fees are and how they work. Management fees, this is the primary fee you'll encounter. It's a percentage of your investment balance that Raiz charges for managing your portfolio. Think of it as a fee for the ongoing service of selecting and managing your investments. Transaction fees, while Raiz doesn't charge transaction fees for buying or selling investments within your portfolio, you might incur fees if you make frequent changes or withdraw funds. These fees are typically charged by the underlying funds or exchanges. How do Raiz fees compare? Now, you might be wondering, are these fees reasonable? Well, that depends on a few factors, including your investment goals and the specific Raiz plan you choose. Raiz offers a range of plans, each with its own fee structure. Some plans might have slightly higher management fees but offer additional features or perks. It's essential to compare the different plans and choose the one that best suits your needs and budget. Is Raiz worth it? Ultimately, whether or not Raiz is worth the fees is a personal decision. If you're looking for a convenient way to start investing, diversify your portfolio, and benefit from professional management, Raiz might be a good fit. However, it's always a good idea to do your research and consider other investment options as well. So, there you have it. Raiz does charge fees, primarily in the form of management fees. While these fees might vary depending on the plan you choose, it's important to weigh them against the benefits of using a platform like Raiz. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Raiz or investing in general, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and advice. Until next time.